I finished my first week as a user experience researcher. In my opinion, a very underrated but crucial piece of the job is to be extremely organized. User experience research works differently at every company. The way it works at mine is I am the sole researcher and I work across multiple Scrum teams based on when the Scrum team's product manager feels like they need research needs to move their product forward. If you're not familiar with what a Scrum team means, it is a team that builds software, and it usually consists of product managers, software engineers, and designers. Because I'm working across multiple Scrum teams and on different products, I found myself feeling extremely overwhelmed by the end of the week because I had so many notes and they were so unorganized. My coworker tipped me off on Notion, this free software tool that basically saved my life. Notion is perfect for research note-taking because you can nest pages within pages to create a very organized workspace for your product. I will show you how I organize my Notion and a few quick tips to help you get started quickly. Hey guys, today is a sweatshirt and no makeup kind of day, but I'm here to show you how I've been organizing my work in Notion. It has been so helpful as a user researcher. You will find you're working across many different teams and there are many different features you're working on for each team. And so having the ability to nest information within information is just so helpful. Today I'm going to talk about the products section over here. So how I've organized it, these three are my teams that I am working across. So these are the three different Scrum teams. And then within each team, I'm working on different features and I nest those within the name of the overall product team. So for example, I'll click on the Affiliate Action Center, which is one of the teams that I work on. You have to have an emoji because that just makes it fun. Then here, if you clicked on that, it'd be a blank page with notes. I'm just not clicking on it for just confidentiality reasons with the company. But basically, this is an overview when I talk to the product manager to just learn more about the Affiliate Action Center, what they do, learn more about the team. Then here are all the different features that I have worked on or I am working on that has to do with this team, this product. For example, proposal process is one of the features. Of course, you need another emoji. And then here I have the feature overview. This is when I spoke to the product manager to learn more about why he needs research for this, what is not working, how can I help. And then this tab is for meetings that I have. So usually weekly or bi-weekly, I have meetings with the team to give updates. You can see right here, you can nest all your different meetings within meetings, which is really nice. And then here I have a research plan. This changes depending on what I'm trying to research. But for this project, I had a project brief. So if you clicked on that, you just get more information about this research. The kickoff call, that was with the product manager to learn more about his needs. Project timeline, to know how long I have to do the research and what I'm going to do during each week. And then the research plan, this will be any questions that I have during the user interviews. And then these are different research methodologies for how I'm going to take all of my qualitative insights from my interviews and turn it into powerful research insights that can help the strategy of the feature. And so yeah, here are all those different research methodologies, usability testing. And then I just added case study because if this is something I'm really proud of, I might want to create a case study for my portfolio. I also have over here due date, the stages in URL. You can really customize all of this, but it helps me to see this timeline of the research plan. And you can also upload any artifacts you have. If you design in Figma or use Miro to do your brainstorming, you can upload those files here, so you have everything in one place and you're super organized. And then, of course, with research, there's usually user interviews, and so I'm only in the discovery research phase as of right now. If you click on this, of course, another emoji, really like that one. I've had 2 user interviews so far, and so I have a different page for each person that I've talked to, and if you clicked on that, you would see all my notes from the call. This has really, really helped me so much, having the product section. I also created a schedule section, but I end up using Apple Notes most of the time. Learning, that's just different podcasts or books that I'm reading, or even presentations within my company that I find useful, I add to. And then reflection, I'm not always consistent with this, but I do like at the end of the week to be able to write down what I did well, what I did wrong, what I can be proud of, how I can improve. Well, I hope this helps you organize your Notion. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions.